Good day, everyone. It's been a while. Today, I'm going to be showing us how to manually design our air vents on the roof. You can rightly do it with your CAD image, but those of you that are yet to install your CAD image in your Archicad software, you can manually do it this way. As you all know, I use pre-designed sketches. This is a job I did for a client days ago. So after this, I'm going to be showing us how to install our CAD image for easier work. But if you want to manually do it while bringing out space and time to install your CAD image, this is the best way to do it. So work with me as we do the roof vents events. So you select your roof. When you select your roof, split roof, splitting the roof, and you have something like this. When you have something like this, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. I'm manually redesigning the roof so get what you want. This is how it looks now. You get this is the event. I will slightly cover it with a wall. Before then, let me put back my roof. Let me put back my roof into a single roof. If I don't do that, I don't get to achieve what I want. So this is how to manually design your event. So you crop to a single roof. So when you select, you can easily do that. So I'm going to be covering it with a wall. I'm going to be covering it with a wall. Alright, this is the wall. I'll slightly raise it up here. And you can change your wall design. I'm changing, let me use something like this. Okay. Then you can trim to your roof. Trim to roof. There you have it. Your air vent. Like I told you, you can manually do this. You can use your CAD image to do this. It's pretty easy to do. There's a lot of things you can do with your Archicad. It just the end is just your imagination. The tank behind here, I manually constructed it. So this is how you put up your air vent. And I know you guys will want to see how it comes up. So I'm going to easily show you the projection. So that's how to put up your air vent. It's pretty easy. I wouldn't want to waste so much of our time. So the building should be coming out looking this way. See how beautiful it looks. Easy. So I would want you to follow, like, and share this video. Subscribe too. Subscribe. it's important we subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll bring you more easy designing patterns in Archicad. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share.